Hello. I'm going to go over Spectar's adding a QR code to a project where we already have QR codes set up and numbered. The first thing I want to do is just establish which one is the last number and start with that. So you can grab any one. I'll just grab the last number just so I know. So if I just copy that over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this point ID here to X. And I'm going to run a Dynamo script later to auto number this, and that's the reason why I want to do that. So now, as you place them, it'll sequentially go with the numbers that you're going with. So it'll go 151, 152, whichever order you copy them in. So I'll just do a couple right here. And so just adding those in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the QR code view where I have all the QR codes. And this is actually going to run through finding all the point IDs that have X and filter those out so I can auto number them. So if I just go here to select the elements and I select them all and then I run it, if I go over back to my 2D view, you're going to see that my auto numbering went to 151, 152, 153, and so on. So that actually has to match this number right here after the slash. So if you want to place 135 there on your drawing, or actually 155 here, this number has to be 155. This number is your zone ID, and that you get from your actual Spectar site. It has a zone ID right here, and so you'd use that here. But whoever's making the QR codes, it'll ask them to fill it in. And just like the QR codes uh, on this Dynamo script, we have to be sure that we start at number 151 and go to whatever number we're ending with. I just chose 172 because I knew that would be a safe bet. And that's pretty much it. You line these numbers up with this PDF or this QR code, and that's pretty much it. You just gotta make sure that this. Let me go over here. It's actually this point record, this IFC name right here, point record number 156. That'll let it know that that number 156 on your QR code. And that's about it. It's pretty easy. And if you need help with the Dynamo script or anything like that, just reach out. We can give you this Dynamo script. You just got to remember that as you're working it, you'll have to change the numbers here. And this you can kind of leave the same if you just mark everything X like I did at the beginning. But that's about it. Hope that was helpful.